In this video, we're going to look at the different types of multiple choice question and how they affect the way your form works. Now, for this, we're going to have to use the preview function, which is up here in the top corner. It's the little eyeball. It shows us what the form will look like for the user, not in the editing mode. So the question I had from last time is, which sister has frozen magical ice powers? I've got 4 options in there. 4 seems a good number. I could add more and more and more. I could add silly ones, I could change spellings, I could play games like that, but that seems a reasonable multiple choice question. So let's just have a quick look and see what it looks like for the user. So if we send this to someone, if someone opens this form, it's telling us that it's a required question, they must submit an answer to it, and they've got 4. They can click in one of them, and then they hit submit. Okay, so that seems to work quite nicely. I can lose my preview, and I'm going to go back to my form. Now, one of my options here is checkboxes, which we'll look at separately. That's where you can pick lots and lots of different options. That's not appropriate for this question because there's only one answer. The other option here that might be useful is drop down. Now, on my screen, it's not changed much. It's just numbered them this time instead of putting dots next to them. I've got Elsa, Anna, Olaf, and Sven. Right, let's have a look at that as a preview mode. So drop down creates a question that looks like this. Rather than listing them, it creates a little drop down menu and you pick from it. So the user will have to pick which ones they want to have on there. Again, it's a required question, so they must choose someone. Now, it might be that I think, actually, I don't want the correct answer to be near the top. I want to jumble it around a little bit. So I'll leave that one. And I can change the order that they're in by just dragging them round. So I can jumble them up a little bit like that. I can even add more. Generally, I think a drop down works well if you've got missing word questions or you've got lots and lots. Because if you've got a big, long list, this takes up a lot less space than having all of these on a single page. Both work, and sometimes having different types of question can be useful. Sometimes it can be confusing to a user. But that is the difference between the drop down and the multiple choice. Both you can only pick one answer for.